Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen for another cooking with what's cooking with the bear. Today we're going to make collard greens, cooked greens. Again, we're going to use the crock pot. We're going to start out here with 24 ounces of beef stock. That's just a rough estimate there. There is 1 can of diced tomatoes with green peppers, or green chilies, in there. Then we're going to add roughly 1 medium onion, diced. About a teaspoon of red chili pepper flakes. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. About a teaspoon of white sugar, a couple teaspoons of red vinegar, good portion of ham, probably I'd say 1.5 cups, 2 cups. And after you get all that in there, you can mix her around a little bit, get it stirred up. And then we're going to start adding the greens. I picked up some pre-chopped green trios. It's got mustard greens, collard greens, and turnip greens in it. So this is all pre-chopped. So we'll get that in there. Much out of the bag as I possibly can. Kind of push it down in. And this is a 1 pound bag, or these are 1 pound bags, so oh, and I forgot a bay leaf. We'll get that down in there too. There. But pack as much as you can down here in the old crock pot. This is much easier with 2 hands, but so you guys can see what I'm doing. Now this is a new recipe for me. I've never tried this before. I mean, I've cooked them before, but I've never done this particular concoction. So it's loosely based on one I found on the internet. I don't use a lot of recipes per se, you know, to the T. I've always cooked by taste and flavor. So all right, there we go. We got 2 pounds of the greens in there. We'll grab our lid and put it on. We'll turn this sucker on low and let her cook probably, I'm going to say, about 6 hours. So we'll bring you back here after it cooks a little while. Hang on. Alright guys, let's check on these collards. Oh yeah, look at that. She's cooking down nice. As you can see, it dropped probably 4 inches. It's almost, the liquid's almost over the top now. It's getting closer. We got a few more hours to cook on her here, but it is smelling delicious. We'll put the lid back on her and come back in a couple hours and check on her again. Alright y'all, this has been cooking a while. So you can see the tomatoes and the ham. Everything's cooked down in there real nice and soft. And the smell, ooh, oh my. This smells so delicious. So let's go ahead and get a scoop of this out of here. And put it in a bowl down here. And let me grab an eating utensil. That's delicious. The red pepper gives it just a little bit of a bite. The vinegar in it, can't really taste that, but it's just, there's just a hint of it there. The ham gives it a nice smoky flavor. This is good, guys. Y'all ought to try it. You know, even if you don't like collard greens, I never did for a long time until I had somebody make me a bowl or something like this. And yeah, this is really, really good. Oh, I gotta have another bite. Delicious. All right, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you all for stopping and checking out what I'm cooking here. Appreciate it. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Share it out if you can. If you're new to the channel, click that little bell over there. Get all the notifications for all the cooking I do. Mechanical stuff, tractor pulling, everything. And don't forget about my weekly live stream. Sunday nights, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Come on in. We just kind of hang out, talk, you know. Talk about everything. Talk about a little bit of cooking. Talk about tractor pulling, small engine stuff, big engine stuff. You know, just a little bit of everything. So, alrighty, guys. As always, if it wasn't for y'all watching them, I wouldn't be making them. So, appreciate it. And we'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.